Hello, this is Lisa Shea, and these instructions are for carving a Chinese chop with a Dremel tool. You can also carve a chop with a screwdriver or with chisels or many other things, but a Dremel tool makes it nice and easy to control. When you buy your calligraphy kit, it's going to come with a flat-ended chop. They're always going to expect you, or pretty much always going to expect you to carve it yourself. So a Dremel tool makes this fairly straightforward. The top of the chop is soft and easy to carve into. When you draw the shape on it, you always want to draw it in reverse because this is a stamp that you're going to then stamp down into a stamp pad into, usually it's red ink, and then stamp onto a piece of paper or onto the artwork that you're working on or whatever it is that you want to sign with this symbol. So you want to carve it in reverse. What I'll tend to do is make the symbol first in Photoshop or get an image on the web in Photoshop if you're not good at drawing, and then reverse it in Photoshop so it's flipped the opposite way, and then draw it onto the top of the chop from there in the reverse format. If you're not good at drawing, then you can use graphite paper and tracing paper to trace the image, and then use graphite paper to transfer that onto the top of the chop, just like you would if you're doing watercolors or acrylic paintings or anything like that. Or you can get a friend to help you. Or if all of this is confusing, then you can get someone to help you. There's lots of people out there who will carve chops for you. But if you've got access to a Dremel tool or a chisel or anything like that, then you can do it yourself, fairly straightforward. So you can see I drew it on there in Sharpie, and all he's doing is tracing along my Sharpie lines and blowing away the extra dust that it's creating to make this shape. And then you just stomp the chop into an ink pad and stick it on the paper, and you've got your symbol. Feel free to ask me with any questions. Be sure to subscribe for more videos, and I'll be doing more videos to show you how all of this works. Thank you very much.